Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. Our word for today is attempt, a B2 level verb meaning to try to do something. So, what does it mean to attempt something? Well, it means you are making an effort, you're trying to achieve something, even if you're not sure you will succeed. It's about the process of starting or trying. We use it all the time in everyday language. For example, I will attempt to finish this book today expresses an effort to complete the reading. Now, let's explore some synonyms for attempt. We have try, as in I will try to bake a cake, or endeavor, such as she will endeavor to learn Spanish this year. One could also use strive, like they strive to improve their English skills. All these words express the act of putting an effort. Now, let's think about the opposite meaning, antonyms of attempt. A good antonym is abandon, meaning to stop trying. For example, after a few failures, they chose to abandon the project. Another is neglect, like he neglected his studies. You could also use disregard in situations. For example, you should not disregard the instructions. These words all represent a lack of effort or giving up. How can you use attempt in your everyday life? Well, you might say, I will attempt to get to the gym today, or did you attempt to solve the puzzle? You might use it in a sentence like, she made an attempt to contact her friend. Or consider the question, did they make an attempt at improving their grades? Or a phrase like, she is making an attempt to learn how to play the guitar. Here are some more examples. They will attempt the challenging climb at 6 a.m. He made an honest attempt but did not succeed, and we should always attempt to do our best. To summarize, attempt is a verb indicating an effort to do something, with synonyms like try, endeavor, and strive, and antonyms like abandon, neglect, and disregard. It's used every day to express the act of making an effort. Thank you all for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's show, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps other listeners find us. And we would love to see you leave a comment down below, creating your own sentence about attempt.